If you need to criticize somebody, don't criticize the players. Don't put pressure on the players. Don't put pressure on the coaches. Let them concentrate on football. Let them concentrate on making their fans happy.
Welcome to the Info World Galaxy. Brave words from the FIFA president Gianni-Infantino. FIFA president Gianni-Infantino is the president of Football World Cup FIFA 2022 delivered a good speech ahead of the World Cup opening game. Watch the full video to see what Infantino had to say.
Today, I have very strong feelings. I can tell you that. Today, I feel Qatari. Today, I feel Arab. Today, I feel African. Today, I feel gay. Today, I feel disabled. Today, I feel a migrant worker. And I feel this, all this, because what I've been seeing and what I've been told, since I don't read, otherwise I will be depressed, I think. What I see brings me back to my personal story. I am son of migrant workers. My parents were working very, very hard in very, very difficult conditions. Not in Qatar, in Switzerland. Many, many lessons from some Europeans, from the Western world. I'm European. I think for what we Europeans have been doing in the last 3,000 years around the world, we should be apologizing for the next 3,000 years before starting to give moral lessons to people. How many of these European or Western business companies who earn millions and millions from Qatar or other countries in the region, billions every year, how many of them have addressed migrant workers' rights with the authorities? I have the answer to you. None of them. None of them. Because any change in the legislation means less profit. Instead of 1 billion, well, you maybe make only 900 million. But we did. And FIFA generates much, much, much less than any of these companies from Qatar. We see here as well many government representatives from many countries coming to Qatar. I don't have to defend in any way whatsoever Qatar. They can defend themselves. I'm defending football here and injustice. They all come because it happens that the country with just had sand and some pearls in the sea, well, actually they found that they have something that is worth much more. It's gas. If there was no gas, nobody would care. But now they all come, and they all want something. And who is actually caring about the workers? Who? FIFA does. Football does. The World Cup does. And to be fair to them, Qatar does as well. I was at an event a few days ago where we explained what we are doing in this World Cup for disabled people. Today, I don't know how many journalists you have here. Say that again. How many journalists are here?
I've got about 400.
400 journalists are here. That event was covered by 4 journalists, probably. Over 10 fan zones where over 100,000 people can simultaneously drink alcohol. 100,000 people at any particular moment. I think personally, if for 3 hours a day you cannot drink a beer, you will survive, especially because actually the same rules apply in France or in Spain or in Portugal or in Scotland, where no beer is allowed in stadiums. Now here it seems to become a big thing because it's a Muslim country, or I don't know why. I don't know. You want to criticize someone, come to me. Criticize me, here I am. You can crucify me. I'm here for that. Don't criticize Qatar, don't criticize the players, don't criticize anyone. Criticize FIFA, criticize me if you want, because I'm responsible for everything. But let the people enjoy this World Cup.
Very nice speech. Answer for all the rumors. Western world is jealous of what Qatar has achieved, Alhamdulillah, and they are jealous of the infrastructure here in Qatar and the luxury stadium. This World Cup is best so far. That speech, more than an hour, was worth watching. Every word has weight, and so powerful for a human to digest and feel. Bravo, sir. The speech was directed towards Western countries who have criticized the World Cup being held in the Middle East for the first time. Thank you for watching.